Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're an active trader on Webull, you might have run into the frustrating pattern day trader (PDT) rule. This regulation from FINRA kicks in if you make more than 3-day trades in a 5 business day period, requiring a minimum account balance of $25,000. But don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through how to reset your PDT status on Webull for 2025. It's easier than you think, and we'll get you trading again in no time. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Webull app or website. Once you're in, head over to your account profile. This is usually found by tapping the person icon in the bottom right corner. Look for the Account or Settings section. It's your hub for all things related to your trading rules. Next, navigate to the Day Trading or PDT Settings area. Here, you'll see your current PDT status. If you're flagged, there should be an option to request a reset or appeal. Click on that, and Webull might ask you to verify your identity or provide some details about your trading activity. Remember, for 2025, Webull has updated their interface, so keep an eye out for a new Reset PDT button that simplifies the process. After submitting your request, you'll need to wait for Webull's review, typically 24 to 48 hours. While you're waiting, take a moment to double-check your account balance and ensure you meet any requirements to avoid future flags. It's also a good idea to review Webull's Help Center for the latest 2025 updates, as rules can change. One quick tip. If you're new to this, consider funding your account more to bypass PDT altogether. And always trade responsibly. Day trading involves risks, so protect your capital. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you can reset your PDT on Webull and keep your trading momentum going. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more trading tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy trading!